Assalamu alaikum. In this video tutorial we are going to discuss some of the options that a teacher needs when he is using Zoom software. And for this either you install the Zoom software on your PC or laptop, or otherwise you can also use the Zoom uh, from the browser window. Okay, I have installed it on my PC, so I have click on it, this window appear, and this is my personal meeting room. I am joining the meeting room. When you join your meeting room, uh, participants are shown when you click on the participant option. And so let's we discuss uh, the different options and turn by turn. For example, the most important one is the hosting, making someone host, or sharing the screen. This is an important feature. You select the simple desktop screen option when you want to explain some other software, and when you select a whiteboard, you can explain the student with the help of pictures or drawing image on the whiteboard using annotation. And we will discuss annotation option a little bit later. First I am selecting the screen and going for the sharing. So now you can see that different options are available, like annotate. When you click on it and you have selected the whiteboard, then these options you can use for typing the text, or if you want to explain your topic with the help of diagram, you can draw in different manner using the draw option. Or you can if you want to highlight some points of a figure, if you are explaining a figure, for example parts of a body or structure of an atom, you can use the spotlight. And similarly the other tool is available when you want to fix some drawing mistake. And this is the usual undo and redo option uh, uh, for in annotation. So if you want to select a particular uh, part of an image, then you go for the select option. Now these options teacher use when they need to explain the topic through annotation, through diagram, using the whiteboard. Now we move to the different topics, like lock meeting. What it means that if you want no one to enter in your class after a particular time, then you can lock the meeting, and when you click on it, it means nobody can join your meeting room. Similarly, if you select the enable meeting room, then uh, uh, he or she can join the waiting room. When you allowed him to enter the class, then they can join the class. And similarly, these options share screen, rename themselves, unmute themselves, whatever option you deselect, then it is not available to the participants or your students. Similarly, going to the more option, you have the option that to disable participants annotation, that they cannot do any drawing on your screen, because some student who are who make disturbance in the class, they is, uh, they do this for disturbing the class. So normally a teacher disable participant annotation. Otherwise, if you are taking a drawing class and you want the your student, your art student, to express their thoughts through drawing, then you can enable it. Okay, so these are the few options that I have discussed with you. And uh, these are the options that I have discussed with you. And some, just hold. Now in the last, I would like to uh, discuss with you the making someone host. when you go to the participant options and you have a list of participant, then you can select any participant, and when you click on more, then there is an option given that make, for example, Ahmed is your student, then make Ahmed host. Then Ahmed can do all the things that you can do, and he is the host of the meeting. And when you want to take back host right from Ahmed, there is an option given here. When you click on it, reclaim host, then you can take back host right from him. So these options, uh, knowing these options will help you to take your class comfortably. And we have uh, also there is an option that pausing a recording or stopping a recording. If you want recording to pause for a while, if you are having discussion with your student, you can pause the recording and you can end the recording. Okay. Inshallah, I hope this video is helpful to you. Give your feedback after watching this YouTube video. Allah Hafiz.